Hello guys, this is Tomer from Reliable Garage Door Services. Today we are replacing a door. We have a very old door. We already took off the sections. It's made out of wood. It's probably the original door that came with the house. We took off the track. The door was in a very bad shape. So we are replacing everything. You see the glass is broken on the windows. As you can see, we already got started. We took off the track on one side. Now we're gonna go ahead and take off this one, and I'll show you how it looks like. We have a new track on both sides, nice and steady. Now when we have the frame, we're gonna put a door. We have a brand new door. We have tracks, new tracks, springs. Everything is hooked up. We also put in a lockout key. I'll show you in a second what it is. A lockout key is for a garage like that when you have no doors to go into in case the motor stops working. You have a key for that. You pull that lever and you basically pull the emergency lever, and then you can open the door and operate it manually. And let me show you how it works. Nice and smooth, huh?
Yeah.
So that's the lockout key. The owner gets 2 sets of keys. You just twist it, pull, and then you can lift the door up and down.
Yes, this gentleman from Reliable Garage Door came over and replaced my garage door. He was over here all afternoon doing some extra things and modifications that needed to be done. Didn't charge me anything extra for it. Did a fabulous job. Very, very pleased with the work. Good job. Thank you so much.
Thank you.